Hello again, welcome back. An unboxing. 2 boxes from Broughton Brewery, Scotland. Open the wee end first. I did post a review of Old Jock, or Old Jock as I would say, last week. So this is more the Jock series. So let's see what's in the first box. Take the money and open the box. Wee Jock, 80 shilling. I've never had that. It's 4.4%. So I'm really looking forward to that. I've got 4 of them. And this is the Old Jock, which I reviewed last week. 4 of them. So the other box and let's open the other box. Delivery note. And this is a box of 12, but all the same. And it's Stout Jock. I think it's an oatmeal stout. Never had this. Black Thistle Stout, 4.8%, dark and malty. It doesn't say if it's an oatmeal stout. What's the ingredients? Water, malted barley, oats, hops, yeast. So I've got a dozen of them. I'm looking forward to that. I got an email the other day. It was a 15% voucher if you bought the Old Jock series. It was a box of 12, 4 each. And they deserve their support because they're a great brewery. So I look forward to these reviews. That was a quick here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.